Okay, today I want to talk about the stock market and how and what steps you need to take in order to make sure that you guys succeed. And these steps are pretty much guaranteed to work if you follow them. And as I go through them, they're going to make a lot of sense, and you understand why I say they are guaranteed to work. The first thing that I want you to do, you guys, is to make sure that you never look at the headlines. Do not go to nytimes.com business/business. Do not go into market watch, whatever it is, Google Finance. Well, you should go to Google Finance or something like that to find the actual price. But hold on, well, like, my point is that do not look at the news. Ignore the news. They often provide you with not wrong information, but they will make you make wrong decisions many times. Okay, first thing. Second thing, technical data. People say fundamental analysis is the, technical analysis is the way to go. No, it is not the way to go. You often see, let's say, how some people talk about, oh, look, this chart, it shows that, it did say that it's going to go up. Let's say if you see specific trend, yes, you follow the trends, but please do not follow these trends. I'm not saying they're wrong, but more than often than not, if you see a particular symptom of something that's going to happen, it's going to go another way. You never know if it's going to go the right way, so please do not rely on it, and you'll understand why in a second. Okay, capital protection. Never ever invest your whole capital. Make sure you never, from my point of view, never invest more than 10% of your total capital. So 90% of your capital must be in cash. No, not in CDs, not in money market. No, in cash, pure cash. Okay, that is. Just think about it. Would you ever give to somebody your money to hold on to? You should never give your money just to a particular stock or particular index, because you never know what's going to happen in this unpredictable world. Okay, never give your money. Your all the money that you have. I do, let's say, me personally, I invest only up to 10% in stocks. Never more. Sometimes less, but never more. Stops. Always use stops. I love trailing stops. They are the most beautiful things that the internet has created. A trailing stop at about 20% up or down, that's the best thing you can do. I use 25. Some people say it's 20. Some people say, whatever it is, just make sure you use trailing stops or stop loss, whatever. As long as you have an automatic loss preventer. Okay. Next thing are results. If you are not seeing results, you're doing something wrong. When somebody tells you, oh, well, you have to wait, no, you do not wait. If you not see results, you have to change your strategy. I remember one day when the stock market was going down pretty badly in the late December. I was doing a lot of puts on options, and all of a sudden, it started going against me. I lost about $70,000 on this because of this mistake. So if it doesn't work, you gotta stop what you're doing, relax, go away from the market, and then start over again. Make sure you never. And also, again, capital protection, the most important thing. Now, some people say that you have to rely on fundamental analysis. No, you do not rely on fundamental analysis, because if you look at the news at least once, no, not necessarily news, whatever, you at least once a week, you notice there's enough of fraud going on, corporate fraud all the time. Now, this is what we only see. There's so much more fraud that is undocumented, and there's so much more fraud that we never even find out. So only because it says, oh, well, the fundamentals of this company is great. No, you're not relying on that, because you never know if it actually is true or not. Okay, and even then, if, let's say, the financial report is good, it doesn't necessarily mean that the company's stock the value is going to go up. So just be very careful. It's very random. So I hope this really made a lot of sense to you, and I hope that to me it worked. For the past 2 years, it has worked very well. Now, again, about capital protection, you're thinking, oh my god, 10%. Yes, very small capital creation. At the moment, I invest a total of about $50,000, and it totally comes out, 10% comes out of about what, $5,000 a month. Per investment. So it's very small amount, but it will work. Okay, because the last thing you want to do is lose money. You do not want to lose money. So I hope this helps, and I guess you can reply to this video. Thank you very much for watching.